Hey hun, what is up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki J. In today's video, I'm going to show how I did these cute, simple, golden press-on nails by accident. Stay tuned if you'd like to know more about that. Give me a follow on my Instagram at extraafnails, and I will see you in the video, hun. All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and start by buffing the surface of my press-on nails so I could just have better adhesion once it comes to application. All right, and once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Beetles base coat. I love the transition from this little ashy look to clear, and this base coat is awesome. I love Beetles as well as Model 1s. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and go in with this one. All right, so I was supposed to go in with this Tammy Taylor Dramatic White and this Elegance Dip Powder. It's from Love Dip Nails. It's an Etsy shop. And I just knew I was going to do me some acrylic nails. Look at that, y'all. It has beautiful flowers and golden pieces in it. This is where I realized I messed up. I'm like, girl, you didn't put this base coat on here. So I went ahead and grabbed my buffing block. And I just knew I was about to go ahead and buff this off. But I was like, you know what? I don't want to mess the surface of these nails up too much. Let me just wipe that off and create something else. So I decided to go in with Model 1's 1100. It gave me French vanilla cappuccino. So I wanted to use that, as well as I went in with a glittery color. I believe the color is, here we go, 0336 by Model 1s. And I thought I was going to use 0347, but it was just a bit too golden for me. So I just used 0336. Right here, I'm going in with a second layer of that color 1100 by Model 1s, as well as I'm going to do the same thing with 0336, just to give it a, nice, deep, but not too golden look. And look at that, y'all. That gold is so pretty. I love glitters from Model 1s and even different companies, but Model 1s is my favorite, and this is not sponsored at all. I just love Model 1s. So I'm going to go in with these charms and my McCart rhinestone glue. This rhinestone glue works perfect. A lot of people say that other rhinestone glues, I can't think of any off the top of my head now, but better with big charms, or to use like clear acrylic. But girl, this glue works perfectly fine. I don't ever have an issue with my charms falling off, my big charms at that matter. And I also use it for my smaller charms as well. I wanted to go in with a lot of heart pieces. As you can see, I put that teddy bear who's holding a heart on the middle finger, as well as a golden heart with the clear rhinestone heart in the middle, and just a lot of different Valentine's Day themed pieces and decorations. I am a beginner nail tech, so I am working on my rhinestone placement. So yeah, I think I did a great job, and these came out really, really cute. Again, they are simple. I could have went in, a little bit more, but I didn't want to do too much because I wasn't planning on doing this in the first place. And right here, I'm a bit extra. Make sure that I put all of my, rhinestones back in the spots where they came from. I don't like to just throw them in a container, if they aren't used, especially if I pour this much out. But I just make sure to put everything back. Got to stay organized, especially if you have this many charms. And I know other people have a lot more. But this is what this set looks like so far. I'm going to go ahead and top coat them with my Model 1's top coat. And I'm going to go over all of those gold pieces, being very, very careful to avoid any rhinestones that I place. But just to protect the gold, plate, because, it ain't real. But just to protect it and make sure that it doesn't rust as the set goes on. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and file the top of my nails. I got this technique from Nail Slay by Val. I love her channel. Her press-on nails are freaking gorgeous and amazing. She does a wonderful job of recreation of other nail technicians and artists' work. I just love it, but it just makes the look way more crisp, and it just it gives it a little bit more elegance at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to the top of all of the nails, and this is what they look like afterwards. That is so nice, you guys. But this is the end of the video. Make sure you stay in touch with me and follow my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.